Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but it is likely a response to my community post about looking for more knives for review. So thank you to the person who sent this to me. We're going to find out what it is together. I'm sure there's more information inside. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there is of course a link right down in the description. And please be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and get in here. So a lot of, people I think speculate sometimes when I look at, I think people stumbling across some of my videos, people speculate where I get knives for review. Sometimes they come from retailers and manufacturers, but most of the knives that I review actually come from viewers. And this is great because, let me turn the exposure up just a little bit. This is great, because it helps me, not that it is a problem being unbiased when I'm reviewing a knife, right? But when people send me knives to review, right, just viewers, then people know that I'm not being sent things or being paid, right, by a company or just given free stuff. And maybe people question whether or not that affects my review. It doesn't. But it's always nice to have the vast majority of my content sent by my viewers, because then there's nothing affecting at all, or at least from my perspective, nothing that's affecting the review. So I like that. And this is just FYI for people wanting to know, where do you get your content? From my viewers. So thank you to my viewers for sending this stuff. All right, what do we have here? Well, first off, is there a note? This was sent by Thomas. Thank you so much, Thomas. Let's take a look and see what we've got in here. Oh, I think I know. Yeah, this is the 20 CV Banter. So this is something, and this is a perfect example of a knife that is making good use of the newer background. When we've got a really dark blade, it's nice to have a lighter contrast. It brings more detail to the knife that we're looking at here. But anyways, this is the same wee Banter that we're all familiar with, except it is the Blade HQ exclusive edition. It's got the Jade scales and the Black Cpm 20 CV blade you can see right there. That's awesome. I am going to give this knife an overview, right, and just talk about it. I've already reviewed this knife. If you want to hear my thoughts on the Banter, you can just type in Metal Complex wee Banter, right? It'll pull up the blue one that I did. But I did want to just take a look and discuss the 20 CV variant, because I think this knife in 20 CV makes a lot of sense. And it's not horribly expensive either, and generally speaking, this is a great EDC knife. In fact, I mentioned it as I thought being probably one of the better knives that came out in 2020. So this is really cool. Personally, I really like the combination of black and jade. I'm a big fan of the translucent G10. Or Jade, or Ghost, whatever you want to call it. People generally either love it or hate it. I'm somebody who loves it. I don't know if this thing is still in stock. In any case, I'm going to link the wee Banter in general right down below, because it is absolutely an extremely recommendable knife. And then if this one's still available, you'll be able to check it out down there as well. So this is cool. Very, very nice. I think this is brand new. I remember the conversation now. I think this is literally sent to me like almost immediately after he received it. So very, very cool, very nice of you. I appreciate that. Here in a few weeks, you guys will get a full, overview. It might actually be even sooner than that, considering I really don't need to, gather in any, major additional thoughts other than just this variant. So yeah, you'll get a full comprehensive video, more in the form of an overview/review. But for today, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.